Rapido is an Indian online vehicle rental or booking company owned by Rapan Transportation Services Private Limited. Rapido's bike service is the first and largest bike taxi service company available in all major Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, including Tier 1 cities such as Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Pune, Noida, Dehradun, and other capital cities of every state. Major services of Rapido are riding, bookings of bikes, taxis, autos, and cabs. Captain, for owners or Rapido partners of bike taxis and autos. Parcel, to send parcels and items. Rapido Business Solutions, for B2B services. Travel insurance, from a partnered insurance company. Want to complain about Rapido bike taxi services? Lodge a complaint with Rapido's customer support in the respective department. You can reach them through the toll-free Rapido customer care number, drop an email, or submit your complaint online to Rapido. If not resolved, request the team to escalate the matter to the customer service head or nodal officer. Still, not resolved? You can escalate the unresolved complaint to the grievance officer for Rapido, Rapan Transportation Services PVT, Ltd. How to file a complaint to Rapido? According to customer service policy, Rapido has a two-tier grievance resolution system for handling complaints related to its bike taxi, auto, and cab services. Customers can initially contact customer support. If the issue remains unresolved, escalate the matter to the authority of Level 2. Grievance redressal mechanism. Registration fee. No charges, 2000. Resolution period. 7 to 30 days, depending on the issue, as per the redressal policy of Rapido. Refund time. Within 7 days, may vary. Levels of complaints escalation. Level 1, Customer Care, Rapido. Toll-free helpline number, if available. Register online complaint, chat support. Email or WhatsApp, if available. Level 2, Grievance Officer for Rapido, Rapan Transportation Services Private Limited. Additionally, you can ask the Rapido customer service team to escalate any unresolved complaints to the head of Rapido Customer Care for internal resolution. Please note, if your complaint with Rapido is not satisfactorily resolved that violates consumer rights, file a consumer complaint with the National Consumer Helpline of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, MOCA, for potential violations of consumer rights. Level 1, Customer Care, Rapido. If you encounter problems with Rapido services such as bike taxi, auto, cabs, premium travel plans or subscriptions, riders, and captains, and experience issues like delays, booking cancellation, payment refund problems, or any concerns, you can submit a complaint with the customer care team. Reach out through the toll-free customer care number, email, or WhatsApp. When submitting your complaint, ensure to include these details such as booking ID for Rapido services, nature of the complaint, example, payment issues, delays, relevant subscription or plan details for premium travel plans, rider captain information, if available, description of the issue with facts such as time and location of the incident, transaction order ID, or other bike auto details. Attach documents like photos of the incident bike, bills, or any supporting evidence. Once you have registered a complaint, be sure to note the assigned ticket number for tracking purposes. If your concern is not addressed within a reasonable time frame, consider escalating it to higher authorities. Note: for complaints regarding the violation of traffic rules and driving guidelines, please register your complaint with the respective traffic police of the city. Rapido Customer Care Number. Details of Rapido customer helplines and email. Rapido Complaint Number. Request a call back. Email: shoutout@rapido.bike. Email Email captaincare@rapido.bike. If you need help with safety concerns, call the emergency helpline number 112 or the safety support team of Rapido. Additionally, in any criminal incident, instantly contact the local police. File a complaint online. Officially register your complaint online about services related to Rapido, the bike taxi, auto, and cab booking platform. Complain online to Rapido. File a complaint. Captain Support. Click here. Email shoutout@rapido.bike. Tip: beware of scams. Don't share bank personal details. Use only the official Rapido, Captain, or Partner Manager app for help. Stay safe. For insurance disputes, directly contact the Rapido support team to claim the plan or communicate with its partnered insurance company. Level 2. Grievance Officer for Rapido, Ropan Transportation Services PVT, Ltd. In compliance with the IT Act 2000 and E-Commerce Rules 2020, Rapido's parent company, Ropan Transportation Services Private Limited, has designated a nodal grievance officer at Rapido to manage unresolved disputes. If your initial complaints, including privacy or trademark disputes, are not resolved satisfactorily at level 1 or by the authorized head of customer care, you have the option to escalate the matter to the assigned nodal officer for Rapido. When submitting your written grievance letter or email, ensure to include the following details: reference ticket number from the previous complaint, trip booking ID or any relevant identification, reasons for dissatisfaction, desired resolution from Rapido, a detailed description of the disputed matter with supporting documents like screenshots, images of incidents, invoices, or any rider evidence. To register your grievance with Rapido, you can send an email to Rapido at grievances@rapido.bike. For issues specifically pertaining to Rapido services, you may reach out to the parent company at Designation: Grievance Officer, Rapido. Email: grievances@rapido.bike. Address: Grievance Officer for Rapido, Ropan Transportation Services Private Limited, Salalpuria Soft Zone, Wing C, First Floor Office 1, Block A, Belandur Village, Bangalore 560103. Not resolved to your satisfaction by the Grievance Officer of Rapido? You may complain to respective authorities or take legal action. Legal authorities, Consumer Commission. If your grievances, despite efforts with the Grievance Officer for Rapido or the head office of Ropan Transportation Services Private Limited, are not resolved to your satisfaction, you approach these legal authorities. 1. Consumer disputes. Informal consumer complaint. If dissatisfied with Rapido's resolution, initiate a complaint with the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, for arbitration. Internal arbitration. Opt for internal arbitration, specifically for business disputes, with the parent company of Rapido, aiming to resolve the dispute through mutual agreement. Formal consumer complaint. File a formal consumer complaint against Rapido or its partners with the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, Consumer Court Forum, seeking compensation for monetary losses. Losses. 2. Legal action. If dissatisfied with the final decision of Rapido or the Consumer Dispute Redressal Forums, seek legal advice from an expert to understand available legal options. Depending on your case, you may take legal action against Rapido in a tribunal, judicial court, or higher legal authorities. Want to file a case against Rapido? File an online case using e-filing to district high courts. Before taking further legal action, it's important to understand the laws with the help of a lawyer. This ensures you know your rights and options in the situation.